Good morning, students. Myself B.S. Chauhan from St. Joseph Public School, Dong. Now, today we start from integers, class 7. First, what is the integers? We already discussed about the integers in class 6. But in class 6, only introduce an addition and subtraction for the 2 or 3 integers. But here we discuss about the integers for multiplication and division. Now, first again we discuss what is the integers. Integers are start from the symbol is the I and Z is equal to minus dash 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 the negative integers -3, -2, -1. Then after -1 is 0 and then comma 1, 2, 3 means natural number, all the positive integer. So here before 0 these are negative integers and after 0 are positive integer. But 0 simply an integer. That means neither is negative and not positive. ये एक ऐसा इंटीजर्स है जो ना नेगेटिव है और ना ही पॉजिटिव है. सिंपली एक हम इंटीजर्स की फॉर्म में इसको यूज करते हैं. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट वी एप्लीकेशन addition and subtraction are already discussed in class 6. But in this class, we discuss about the multiplication of integers. Now, first we discuss about the some properties for multiplication. Now, what is the property? Now, first property is the closure property. Now, what is the closure property? Suppose we take the two integers a and b. If we take the two integers a and b, then their product is also integer. Suppose आप कोई दो integers लें और उन दोनों को multiply करें तो आप देखेंगे उन दोनों का product वापस एक integers ही आएगा. चाहे दो integers लें, चाहे 3 लें, चाहे more than 3 लें, integers का product again an integer. Now हम इसको verify भी कर सकते हैं. You take the any two integers, suppose 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 is again an integer. यहाँ मैंने दो examples लिखे हैं. First is 4 into 3 equal to 12. 4 and 3 are two integers, but their product is 12. 12 is also integer. Second example, -7 and -3. Now minus into minus is equal to plus, and 7 into 3 21. 21 is also integer. Now again -7 and 2 are two integers and product is minus into plus is equal to minus, and 7 into 2 is equal to -14. -14 is also integer. Now one more example for 0. 0 is multiply. अगर 0 आप किसी से multiply करो, number is again 0 and 0 is also integer. 5 into 0 equal to 0. 0 is the integer. So there are 4 verifications are given. The product of two integers is also an integer. So this property is known as a closure property. This is always known. This property is known as a closure. ये आपको याद होना चाहिए. What is the closure property? Closure property we also use for addition, for subtraction, for division, and also for now multiplication. Okay. Now next we write the second property, commutativity. Commutative property, that means here we take the two integers and find their product. अगर मैं इनका क्रम यानी कि 4 and 3, suppose we take the 4 and in 3, first we multiply 4 into 3 and then multiply 3 into 4. So 4 into 3 and 3 into 4, same answer is 12. So 12 is the product of 4 into 3 and 3 into 4 is also product of 12. So अगर हम इनका this number अगर हम चेंज भी कर दें, फर्स्ट वी टेक द नंबर 4 एंड सेकंड वी टेक द नंबर इज 3, तो प्रोडक्ट में कोई चेंजेस नहीं होगा. सिमिलरली -5 into 2 is -10 and 2 into -5 is -10. The no change the answer. So this property is known as a commutative property. So similarly, noun as a commutative property also used in addition and subtraction. But commutative property for multiplication use for, we take the two integers and find the product. First you take this integer, second take you this integer and find the product. Now again second time you take the first integer this one and second integer this one, but integer product of these two integers is the same, no change in this answer. Okay, now so this is the commutative property. Now next third property is the associativity. Associative property. What is the associative property? Now commutative property and associative property almost same, but associative property we take for three integers. This time we take the three integers a, b and c. Now here we take for any three integers a, b and c. First we find the product of a into b into c. First we take the product of b into c and then find the product of a. And second time we take the product of a and b, then multiply to c. Then no change in answer. Verification. For example, we take there three integers 2, 5 and 3. There are three integers. Now 2 into 5 into 3. So first we multiply 5 into 3. What is the product of 5 into 3? Product of 5 and 3 is 15 and then 15 multiplied to 2. 15 into 2 equal to 30. But second time we take the 2 and 5, we take the first and 3 is the third integer. So 2 into 5 is the 10 and 10 into 3 is equal to 30 and 30 and 30 both are equal. So products are no change. This property known as a associative property. So now this time we discuss about the first introduction of integers and negative integer, positive integer, and property of the multiplication of integers. Now closure property and then commutative property and now associative property. One more example is the very important. Now product of the sign is the very important. Product of the same sign is always positive. Product of two positive sign is always positive. Plus into plus equal to plus, minus into minus equal to plus. It is the product of two same sign. And second time we take the different plus into minus and minus into plus. We take the different sign and product of the different sign is always negative, always negative. These are very important role in the production of the 3 or 4 or 5 and 2 integers, either in different sign in the same sign. Okay, now thank you.